Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Healthy Hair 101, the heart of holistic health, fitness, and vibrant hair journeys on all things related to the health of your hair. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier and happier you. Today, we're diving deep into the link between stress and hair loss and how we can combat it. We'll explore the science behind it, the role of nutrition, the importance of a good hair care routine, and much more. So, let's get started. Stress is a silent enemy, often wreaking havoc on our bodies in ways we don't even realize. It's a major culprit behind hair loss, disrupting the natural growth cycle of our hair. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining hair health. Nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals are the building blocks of your hair. Regular exercise can help manage stress levels, promoting overall health and indirectly benefiting your hair. A good hair care routine is essential. It's not just about the products you use, but also how you use them. Incorporating scalp massages into your routine can stimulate blood flow, nourishing your hair follicles. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things health and hair, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's during sleep that your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including your hair. DIY hair masks can provide your hair with the extra nourishment it needs. Organic products, free from harsh chemicals, can be gentler on your hair and scalp. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice if you're experiencing significant hair loss. Remember, a positive mindset is just as important as any hair care routine. Stress can be managed and hair loss can be reversed. So, there you have it, folks. Understanding the link between stress and hair loss is the first step towards healthier hair. Remember to nourish your body, care for your hair, stay hydrated, and maintain a positive mindset. And most importantly, remember that you're not alone in this journey. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep shining and keep those locks luscious.